Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to import bills in Xero. Okay, so for that purpose we'll come in business menu. Here you can use option bills to pay or purchase overview. Okay, so once you click here you will get this kind of display. So from import bills option you can import bills here. Now first of all you have to download a template file, okay, which is in CSV format. So once you download the file you have to fill up the bills detail into that file, and then after only you are able to import that file. Let me show you that CSV. As you can see, I have already filled up some data here like contact name, invoice number, invoice date, due date, quantity, unit amount, then account code. Here I have only mentioned the code, okay, not full name. Then text type, okay. So headings which contains asterisk in the beginning is mandatory fill here. Now let me save this file and let's import this file to Xero. So select the file, then would you like to update contact address details? If you want to do, then you can do, otherwise you can select no. And my unit amount is tax exclusive, fine. So let's import. So 5 new draft bills will be imported, complete import. So once you import, all the bills come into the draft category. As you can see here, you can check each bill manually, then you can approve, or you can select all bills together and you can approve all the bills together. Same way, if you feel some wrong, then you can delete the all bills from here. Okay, so let's approve the bills. So you can see that all the bills come from draft category to awaiting payment category, fine. And you can see all the details is similar: cost of goods sold 20%, name of the supplier and all. So before importing you have to just keep in mind the info you fill in CSV file should be correct, fine. So in this manner we can import bills to Xero. This is for today. Thanks for watching. Kindly like the video and subscribe the channel.